Hello students, how are you today? Are you okay? Are you happy? Good, I am happy. How did you sleep? I slept well. Okay, this is Teacher Kings. Welcome to our lesson for today. Our lesson of today is about personal information. Personal information. If you wish to know about somebody, you need to get information from the person. So, this is personal information. Information about you, about yourself, okay? We ask questions because we want to know. Okay, so today we are going to learn about personal information. How to ask a question and which response are we expecting? Okay, so now, students, you will repeat after me, okay? Personal information. Personal information. Good. So, on personal information today, I would like to know about your name. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the school you study in. I would like to know what level of education are you, that is, in what grade are you. And then I would also like to know your age, how old are you? And then number 5, I would also like to know where you live, your residence or your area where you live. Do you understand? So let's go. Question number 1. What's your name? What's your name? Answer. My name is, then you write your name, okay? My name is, you write your name, okay? Example, if my name is Kings or my name is Tommy Jones, I will say my name is Tommy Jones. Okay, so you write Tommy Jones. So my name is Tommy Jones. So students, you are going to write your own name. If your name is Natapon, you will write my name is Natapon. If your name is Tanawut, you will write my name is Tanawut. Do you understand? Good. So question number 2. Which school do you study at? Which school do you study at? So, how do you answer? You answer by saying, I study at, then you write the name of your school. Do you understand? So, I study at, example, which school do you study at? Which school do you study at? I study at Bansong Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. So I study at Bansong Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. Or I study at Mahasarakam Pitayakom School. Or I study at Konkan Technical College, or I study at Mahasarakam University, or I study at Rajapat Mahasarakam University. Okay? So, students, you study at Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School. So you write, I study at Ban Song Nang Yai. Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School. Where? Mahasarakam. Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. Okay, you write Mahasarakam. Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School in Mahasarakam. Mahasarakam. Good. So, which school do you study at? Which school do you study at? I study at Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. Good. Number 3. In what grade are you? In what grade are you? So, I'm in grade. So, if you are in grade 1, you say, I'm in grade 1. If you are in grade 2, you say, I'm in grade 2. Or, I'm in grade 3. I'm in grade 4. I'm in grade 5. Or, I'm in grade 6. Do you understand? So, grade. So, in what grade are you? In what grade are you? I'm in grade 4. Grade 4. Or you can write, I am in grade 4. It's okay. Good. How old are you? Next question. How old are you? How old are you? If you are in grade 4, how old are you? I think you must be 9 years old. So you say, I'm 9 or 9. I'm 9 years old. Oh, sorry. 9 years old. 9 years old. Good. Or I'm 9 years old, or I'm 9. Still okay. Do you understand? So, how old are you? You see, I'm 9 years old, or I'm 9. Okay. So you have 2 answers. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. Good. Or I'm 9. Okay? Then our last question is question number 5. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. If you live in Borabe, what do you say? You say, I live in Borabe. Okay? Or I live in Kusumpisai. Or I live in Konkan. Or I live in Pochai. Or I live in Rongkam. Do you understand? So, you write where you live. Where do you live? Okay. If you live in Mahasarakam, you can say, I live in Mahasarakam. So, I live in Mahasarakam. Mahasarakam. Okay, I live in Mahasarakam. I live in Nonsila. I live in Pontong. I live in Roy Et. Okay, good. So that is about your personal information. So now I take it again one more time. Okay, so number one, what's your name? What's your name? My name is Tommy Jones. My name is Tommy Jones. What's your name? Okay, so you say your name. Number two, which school do you study at? Which school do you study at? Okay, you say, I study at Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School. Where? In Mahasarakam. So, Ban Song Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. Good. Question number three. In what grade are you? In what grade are you? What do you say? I'm in grade 4. If you are in grade 4, you say, I'm in grade 4. If you are in grade 2, you say, I'm in grade 2. If you are in grade 6, you say, I'm in grade 6. Okay. Next question. How old are you? This is your age. How old are you? So, you have two answers. How old are you? You can say, I'm 9 years old. Good. Or, I'm 9. Do you understand? How old are you? I'm 9 years old. Good. Or, I'm 9. Do you understand? Thank you. So now, we go now to our last question. Question number 5. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. I live in Mahasarakam. Good. Where do you live? I live in Kalasin. Good. Where do you live? I live in Borabu. Okay? Where do you live? I live in Roy Et. Where do you live? I live in Kampia village. Do you understand? Okay, thank you. So, students, I want you to practice this personal information at home. You practice with your friend. Your friend will ask the questions and then you give an answer. Then you change. Your friend you now ask the question and your friend gives the answer. Do you understand? Okay, now I want to ask you the question. And students, you give me answer. Okay? Good. What is your name? What is your name? Answer. Good. My name is Good. Number 2. Which school do you study at? Which school do you study at? I study at Pan Song Nang Yai Municipal School, Mahasarakam. Okay? Question number 3. In what grade are you? In what grade are you? I'm in grade 4. Or I'm in grade 5. Good. Number 4. How old are you? How old are you? You may answer like this. I'm 9 years old. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. Or, how old are you? I'm 9. So, 9 years old, good. I'm 9, good. Do you understand? Thank you. Now, our last question. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay? So, I live in Mahasarakam, or I live in Konkan, or I live in Korat, or I live in Bangkok. So, where do you live? Thank you, students. I hope you understand this lesson. Practice with your friends at home. Practice with your classmates. Practice with your father. Practice with your mother. Practice with your friends. Do you understand? Thank you. See you in our next class. Bye-bye.